Hello everyone. Previously, we had seen what lambda expressions are, right? Today, we'll continue with the streams. Basically, what are streams in Java? Streams are a sequence of elements supporting sequential and parallel aggregate operations, right? Basically, they were introduced in Java 8. They enable functional style operations on collections of elements. Example, like you can consider map reduce transformations, right? Streams also allow for the processing of data in a declarative manner using methods like filter, map, reduce, and others, enabling concise and readable code, right? This we'll see with a very simple example. This is very easy to understand. Basically, let's see this with a example. So what I'll do, I'll just come here. Let me right click over on new, click on Java class, right? I'll just give here streams example. I'll just make this one capital E. Just hit a end. What we have done here, we have defined a basic public class named streams example, right? Next, as usual, let's define the main method. Make you public static void main, right? String x. After defining the main method, what I'll do, I'll just create a list to hold the string objects. So I'll just give list, right? So what we have done here, we have, you can see here, we have imported the list interface from the Java util package. Next, I'll do one thing. Here we add string. We name this one string list. New array list, right? So here, in simple terms, what we have done, we have created a list to hold the string objects, right? So first, let's add some random fruit names using the string list dot add. I'll just give string list add. I'll just give apple in this case. So here we have to give within the string, right? So yeah, I'll just copy this one. Let me paste this one. Sorry, what's happening? 5 times, right? I'll just change the names of the fruits. Here, instead of apple, I'll just give banana. Instead of apple, I'll just change this one to cherry. Instead of apple, I'll just make this one apricot. The final one, I'll just name this one blueberry. Right? One more fruit I can take. This is enough. I'll just remove this one. So what we have done, we have added the apple, banana, cherry, apricot and blueberry to the string list. Next, what we'll do, let's make use of the streams to filter and collect elements that starts with the letter A, right? So I'll just comment this one for the reference so that we understand clearly. Use stream to filter and collect elements that starts with the letter A, right? For that, what I'll do, I'll just give list, but then this I'll just give string. Let me give the name filter list. Let's make use of string list dot. Let's make use of string, right? So here, one thing, something I'm missing, right? Let's see. I'll just write this thing in the next line. let me make use of filter here. Let's make use of starts with, let me give A, right? Also, let me make use of collect. Within the collect, I'll just make use of collectors. Collectors.toList I'll make use of. Yeah. Finally, let's print the each element in the filtered list. How we can do this? I'll just make use of filter list. This has to be filtered list, right? I'll just change the name here to filtered list. Here also, let me change this one to filtered list, right? Let me make use of for each. Sorry, here let me give system dot println. So what we are doing here, we are printing the each element in the filtered list, right? So this looks good. So basically, you can observe here one thing. We have imported the collectors class from the Java util stream package. This one, right? Again, I'm telling we have imported the collectors class from the Java util stream package, right? Did I miss anything? What is this? Blueberry. Yeah. Let me do one thing. This looks good. Let's run the code. Let's wait for some time. So you can see the output apple and apricot, right? Why we are getting the apple and apricot? Here we have made use of the streams, yeah, to filter and collect elements that starts with the letter A, basically, right? So that is the reason we are getting the output apple and apricot. So everything is working correctly, right? Next, let's go with the annotations in Java. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.